Emily is on a long train ride today. She is going south. She has a window seat. She put her bag in the rack above her seat. She sat down and got out her phone. For the first hour, she answered messages and read a few things. The train moved quickly through the city. Then she looked up. The buildings were already far behind them. Outside, there were hills now on both sides. The ground was very green. Emily put her phone on the seat beside her. She turned to the window. A rice field passed below the train. The water in it was still and bright. Another one came after that, then another. They went on and on. A small river ran between two of the fields. It looked cold and fast. Near the river, there was a small house. A bicycle was leaning against the wall. She watched for it to go past. It was gone in a few seconds. She did not look away. More hills came. More fields went past. The train was going very fast. But the sky above the hills was still and quiet. She had a podcast ready on her phone. She never opened it. Then the train went into a tunnel. The window went dark. She could see her own face in the glass. She looked a little tired. The tunnel was long. She sat and waited for the light. Then it came back. The train came out on the other side. The hills were gone. There was a wide, flat valley now. A small town was far away in the distance. The sky looked different here. It was a lighter blue, a little softer. Emily sat up straight. She looked at the new view outside the window. Then she picked up her phone and checked the time. An hour and 20 minutes had passed. She had not noticed. She thought about opening the podcast, but she put the phone down again. She put it face down on the seat beside her. There was still a long way to go. She turned back to the window for the changing views.